Morning everybody. The juicer has not been present for a couple of days. That's because we had a copyright infringement from the Conservative Club in Torquay, no doubt. We had a couple of fake juicers there at the bar. You know who you are. And anyway, we're back now. We've got rid of that problem. We're going to get back to some real juicing that's real beautiful. And this is for the Scousers too, down in Darwin, down in New Zealand and south of England. Alright, here we go. Now this one doesn't have a name at the moment, but it'll have one by the end of the juice. We've got organic Granny Smith apples. I've already put a little bit of celery in there. Again, has to be organic. Lemons. They don't have to be organic. Granny Smiths must be organic. Apple are the worst things you can eat that are not organic. If they're not organic and you're eating apples, you got a problem. You're sucking up all the pesticides that they put on those fruits. And a pesticide is a neurotoxin. What does a neurotoxin do? It fucks up your head. Excuse my language. Any kids watching, especially those that are related to me, ignore Uncle Mark, you shouldn't have said that. Alright, here we go, look at these colours. Oh my goodness. We're going to put some organic pears in there. Once again, pears need to be organic because the skin is a little thin and the pesticides get through. So if you're wondering why you've got aches and pains and you feel lethargic and you've got no energy, it's because of all the poison you keep putting in your body. And we're here to fix it. How you Scousers doing down there in Australia and New Zealand? It's been great to see you all on Facebook. I've been banned again. Guess I'm gonna have to keep my mouth shut. Alright, there's our first one. And as always, we're gonna roll it. Don't have a roll. There's my roller. Sorry, running behind schedule this morning. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Green as the Devonshire grass after a sunny, rainy afternoon. Alright, one more roll and then I'm going to take a quick sip and we will bottle the rest of it up later. What should we call this one, Liv?
Green Heaven.
Green Heaven for all you juicers at the Con Club. Beautiful.